Hey guys, my name is Dakshi Gupta and welcome back to my channel Code with Dakshi. So in this video guys, let's talk about functions. Like what are functions and what are the important things of functions, okay? So what are functions? First question is there. Guys, if I talk about the interviews, okay? If you want to become like data scientist also, right, and machine learner also, so like functions are the like very important thing. Yeah, so what are functions? Okay, like whenever you are writing a coding, okay, so for that code, whenever you are calling it, okay, only when it runs. For example, like in functions, okay, we have to use def, okay, if you want to add something, right, just use def, okay, and you are making add. Why? Because I want to add my numbers in this part, okay. Like in functions, three things are very important. First is like parameters, arguments, okay. First is parameters, second is argument, and third one is your return, okay. Like return means that you are returning the single values, you are returning multiple values in that process, okay. So like in addition, I know that I want like minimum two numbers to add the things, right? So inside my addition, like add, because addition short form is add in functions, so def add, okay, I just want a comma b, okay, because I just want only two numbers, at least two numbers should be there. So after that, two colons, this is the line which is very important. These colons, like two dots, okay, these are very important. If I run this, okay, so if I use return a plus b, because I know that if I use def add of a and b and I am not returning a plus b, right, so it will not give me any output, right. So in this part I just use return a plus b because I just want to add the numbers. So after this part, my next thing is that add. Why? Because I am making a add function, okay, so I have to add two numbers, I have to give it two numbers at least. Like my a will be 2, my b will be 3. So guess the output. I know you know the output should be 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. If I run this, I am getting 5. Yeah, but if I want like addition, multiplication, division, so instead of writing it again and again, like first of all just make the function add, then subtraction, then multiplication, then division, then modulus, power, exponentiation, instead of like biggest things guys, just use return multiple values, okay. These are known as my what. If I give a heading to it, okay, like I want to insert cell above, I just want markdown, okay, I am just writing here, let's say return value, return single value, okay. But now I just want to return multiple values, okay, so I am giving it return multiple values, okay. Yeah, so these are the things like how to do the heading part, okay. Like I am just writing anything in this part and I am like now I know everything, like how to write the things, okay, like what is this, but after few days like I will forgot like what is this one, okay. So just use the headings for every code, right. So like this is for return single value. Now I want return multiple value, okay. So what to do in this part? Instead of writing add, multiplication, so many things, just use def func. What is fun? Why I am using fun? Because function short form is FUNC, you can say FUN as well. Okay, so I am just putting this one, I am just putting same A on B. The full code, the whole code will be same, only one thing is there. Return A plus B. I want A minus B also, I want a multiply by B also, I want a division by B as well, I want a modulus B as well, I want a power B as well, I want a exponentiation as well, like this one. Okay, so in this part I am using addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, power, exponentiation. Got it? Now just use one thing, fun, and give the numbers 20, 30. Oh my god, everything is coming in only one code, right? Instead of using addition, subtraction, multiplication and so on, we are using only one line. It's surprising, guys. Yeah, like I know that 20 plus 30 is 50, 20 minus 30 is minus 10, 20 multiplied by 30 is 600, division, then I am using modulus, then I am using double power, then I am using exponentiation. Okay, so with the help of only one line you are getting everything, right? So these are the functions. Okay, so these are the reason why we are using functions. Okay, I think guys you got it. Now we know that return single value and multiple values, but in the beginning, if you focus on that thing, I told you about parameters and arguments, right? So what are parameters? Like these two lines are my parameters. Like I am defining my function in this part, I am defining return as well. Okay, but fun 20, 30, this is my argument. Arguments are those things, guys, like if you are not giving the numbers in this part, you will not get the output. If I comment this with the hashtag, I am not getting anything. Why? Because in this part I am not defining my function numbers. So if I use here, so then only I am getting the output. If I comment both two lines into which are in the above, then also I will not get the output. So guys, function is totally based on your arguments and parameters. Okay, like without arguments you cannot define your parameters, and without parameters you cannot define the arguments. Okay, so these are the like main thing of functions: arguments, parameters, return single and multiple values. So guys, these are the important things. Okay, like in next video, if you want more things about this topic, please let me know, guys. I am here to tell you everything about that. Okay, if you like this video, please hit the like button, guys. Please do comments as well. Like if you are stuck in somewhere, if you need any help regarding this one, please free to ask me anytime. Okay, so like this is the end of my video. I hope you like this video, guys. Please, again I'm saying, please like my video, subscribe my channel, do comments as well. Okay, and let's meet in next video. Sorry guys, I'm not too active now because like of my busy schedule, so for that thing, but now I'm promising you to like I will upload a single video daily. Okay, so guys, hope you all are very good. Okay, so bye bye, take care.